everyone, I'm hoping you've already tried the exercise 4.20, and if you didn't, you still have time. You can pause this video right here and give it a try rather than watching me as I'm doing these exercises without actually giving an attempt. Okay, I'm assuming if you're continuing, so you already tried. Okay, let me check out. You see, it's not even a hard problem to do, right? It's not a hard nail to crack. So please, folks, make sure you try these on your own. So write a program that prompts the user to enter a string and displays its length and its first character. That's way too simple. I feel like skipping it, but I'm not gonna do so. Why? I told myself I'm solving each and every problem on this textbook. Okay. What's the first thing to do? Scanner, no. Scanner. System.in. Close scanner. I'm gonna give you guys a calc code. Remember the first time hearing that word? I was actually working on this company. I don't want to mention its name. I've heard people talking about calc code, and I was like, what the heck is that? That is just a code that gives a solution without actually it's just a code. It's a bullshit code, basically. It might work, but it is bullshit. That's what you gotta know. So that's what I'm about to give you. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. Okay. In fact, I'm not kidding, because I'm not gonna be putting any comments. I'll simply I'm not even sure what is it I'm gonna do, because it's way too straightforward. You see, that's the problem with me. I'm used to complicated, or rather complex problems. When it comes to ones like this, I kind of have difficulties. Okay, but let's try to think in the simple way possible. What is it I want to do? I want to retrieve a string. So I'll just go system.out.print. I'm not going to bother with comments. Told you guys. It's not a rubbish code though. It's absolutely not a rubbish code. So it's enter a word. Word or sentence. Okay. Here's what I'll do. I'll just go string user input scanner.next line. Okay. Once I'm done with that, I'll simply check if user input dot index of. So basically what I'm checking here is whether or not this is a sentence. So if it contains a space, then I would consider it as a sentence, and if it doesn't, or if index of that is greater than is not -1, or if it is less than 0, let me put it like that. If system, the word is, that's what I'll say. Okay, if this is not empty, okay, if username input dot is empty, if this is false, if this is false, okay, if it is not empty and it doesn't have a space, then I'll consider that as a word. Okay, so it's gonna be simple problems. I cannot stand them. The word otherwise I'll simply go else. The sentence system.out.print. The sentence user input has seems like I should have used an else if. Then the sentence I feel like stopping already. Okay. You know what? I'll deal later on with an empty string. Okay, for now, let me continue. Okay, so I'll just go as length user inputs dot length and the first character and the first. I'll be surprised if you're watching this and you did not try this exercise. It's way too straightforward, and that's why it's sort of messing with me. If something is you see, it's like giving an example out of a ton of things. Your head sometimes is just sometimes it goes straight blank, right? Just because you've got a lot of options to choose from and you end up going blank. So that's kind of what's happening to me right now. So the first character is, I'll simply go user input dot char at 0. Done. At first I thought I'm gonna give out more solutions on this. No. One is enough. In fact, I shouldn't have given one in the first place. If user input dot yeah, I mean, this should do it. This should do it. If, again, I'm gonna display this if this thing is non-empty. Okay, let's hit the run button. Oh, stupid ass. Okay, the word has 15 characters. You can count them, and the first one is A. I mean, I know it's not the best solution one can get, but you can play around with this however you like. Again, I just told you guys it's way too simple, so I didn't put too much thoughts on it. That should be it for this tutorial. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers, I'm gone.